In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Form responses. Whether you're wrapping up a survey, a registration process, or simply need to stop collecting responses, I've got you covered. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can effectively close your form to new submissions. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Google Forms website. You'll see a sign in button right at the top. Click on that, and when prompted, enter your email address, hit next, follow up with your password, and then click sign in again. This step is necessary to access your forms and manage them. Once you're signed in and looking at the Google Forms homepage, navigate to the specific form you wish to close. You should see a list of all your forms. If you have many, you might need to scroll through or use the search function to find the one you're targeting. With your chosen form open, look for the Responses tab. This tab is usually located at the top of your form and is your gateway to managing submissions. When you click on Responses, you're taken to an overview of all the responses your form has collected so far. This page is not just for viewing responses, but also houses important settings related to response collection. Here's the critical step: turning off accepting responses. You'll find this option directly on the responses page. There's a toggle or a switch, sometimes accompanied by text or an icon, indicating whether the form is currently accepting responses. If the toggle is on, or if it says on, that means your form is open and people can still submit answers. You'll want to switch this off, click or tap on it, and it should change to indicate that your form is no longer accepting responses. This action effectively closes your form to new entries, though you'll still have access to all the previously submitted responses. It's worth noting that when you turn off accepting responses, you have the option to leave a custom message for those who might still try to access your form. It's a neat feature to communicate with latecomers, letting them know why the form is closed and possibly directing them on what to do next. In closing, it's essential to regularly manage your Google Forms, especially if you're using them for time-sensitive purposes. Remember to reopen responses if you need to collect more data in the future. It's as simple as going back to the Responses tab and toggling the Accepting Responses option back on. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to close your Google form to new responses effectively. Managing responses this way ensures you have control over your data collection and can end it precisely when needed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.